Welcome to our channel. Want to save Roku content for offline viewing? Follow these steps to understand download options and alternatives. Step 1. Understand Roku download limitations. Most Roku channels don't support direct downloads to the device. Step 2. Check individual channel features. Some channels like Netflix offer downloads within their mobile apps. Step 3. Use channel mobile apps instead. Download content through provider's mobile app for offline viewing. Step 4. Consider Roku mobile app features. The app allows private listening, but not content downloads. Step 5. Explore cloud DVR options. Some streaming services offer cloud DVR for recording live content. Step 6. Use screen recording cautiously. Understand copyright laws before recording any streaming content. Step 7. Download purchased content where available. Some channels allow downloading of purchased movies or shows. Step 8. Check terms of service. Always review channels' terms regarding content downloading and offline viewing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.